In this video, we are going to see almost 0-calorie food you must add in your diet plan for weight loss. A proper diet is much important for fat loss to those who are obese and to maintain in shape for fit people. In simple terms, calorie is amount of energy gained by eating a particular food. High calorie food gives lot of energy. Excess energy is stored as a fat. If you like this video, like, share and press the bell icon so you don't miss out new videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel T Facts for many forbidden facts. Daily calorie requirement depends on age, sex, height and weight. An average person needs 1500 calories for the metabolic functions of the body and rest for the physical activity. So when you take greater than 1500 calories, your body gains weight, and when it's less than 1500 calories, you start losing weight by utilizing the stored fat for energy demand. Always consult a doctor before starting a diet plan. Here are top 20 foods which are almost 0 calories and gluten free. Apple a day keeps doctors away and also fats away. Each 100 grams of apple has 52 calories, rich in flavonoids and pectin, which keeps you full for a long time. Pineapple has 50 calories per 100 gram. It contains bromelain enzyme which digests fat and protein. Fat and protein leads to weight gain. Cucumber has 45 calories per 100 gram. 96% of cucumber is made up of water, which makes it a very low density veggie. Beets contain 43 calories per 100 gram. Carotenoids present in it aids in high fat oxidation. Carrot has 40 calories per 100 gram. Important role in detoxification of liver, so increase liver enzyme which burns fat. Red pepper has 40 calories per 100 gram. Capsaicin, a unique component present in chili, gives the spicy taste and suppress the appetite. Onion has 40 calories per 100 gram. Strong probiotic factor present in onion induce fat loss. Broccoli has 34 calories per 100 gram. It is a reserve house of calcium which curb overeating. Lady's finger or okra has 33 calories per 100 gram. Improves eyesight and its very low glycemic index helps in weight loss. Watermelon has 30 calories per 100 gram. 90% of watermelon weight constitutes to water and contain arginine which increase insulin activity. Pumpkin has 26 calories per 100 gram packed with powerhouse of several nutrients. Cabbage has 25 calories per 100 gram. Vitamin C and beta carotene are rich in this low calorie food. Both catalyze fat for energy production. Cauliflower has 25 calories per 100 gram. It is a reservoir of folate, vitamin C along with a cancer fighting agent called sulfuron. Eggplant has 25 calories per 100 gram. It induces high satiety so you're not gonna eat for a long time. Spinach or palak has 23 calories per 100 gram. It is a full package of vitamins like A, B, C and K which aids in fat loss. Mushroom has 22 calories per 100 gram. It is a family of fungi which makes you feel full. Asparagus has just 20 calories per 100 gram. It acts as a diuretic by increasing the water loss from body, so you can eat enough amount of asparagus before a photo shoot to look thin. Tomato has 18 calories per 100 gram. Water, air and fiber filled in tomato act as an appetite suppressant. Zucchini has 17 calories per 100 gram. High water content and rich in antioxidants increase the basal metabolic rate. Lettuce has 15 calories per 100 gram. Never miss out lettuce in your diet since it has the lowest calories. Finally, a complete 0-calorie drink is only water. 60% of human body weight constitutes to water. You can also add citrus fruit juices to your diet. I suggest lime juice which is low in calories and high in vitamin C. Add these foods to your daily diet and have a calorie count of less than 1500. Automatically you will start losing fat. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel T Facts. Comment down your daily calorie intake. Don't miss out on new videos on diet plans. To receive notification, press on the bell icon. Bye bye.